Namaste, welcome to Babita's Easy Recipes. Today in this video you can see how I am preparing this cake, coconut cake in idli vessel. So let's see the video. So for making this cake, first we have to make a fine powder of the sugar. So I am using here 2 cups of sugar. So like this we have to make first. Now add 2 eggs. So now again we have to blend this. So like this we have to blend it. Now I am adding here 3/4 cup of oil. 1 spoon butter I am using. Again we have to blend this. Half cup milk I am adding. Mix it nicely then. For making this cake, I am using on idli vessel. So first we have to put salt, the salt already I have used for making cake, that is why the color has changed. So here, I kept one stand. So now I am going to heat this for 10 minutes. We have to preheat the vessel first. You can even use pressure cooker. So as you can see, I am on the gas. So now with the same cup, I am taking 2 cups of maida. Baking soda, and very little baking soda. One direction only. You have to mix it nicely, like gum should not be there. step is, I have taken little refined oil. We have to spread this refined oil. So like this with maida we have to do little bit dusting to spread this maida. You can even use butter paper. Now after 10 minutes, after 10 minutes I am keeping this and cover it. Now let it cook for 30 to 40 minutes on low heat. So friends, after 40 minutes, now you can see how it looks. You can see it's looking so spongy. See? So you can see. So friends, you can see. I'll cut and show how it looks. You can see how spongy it is looking. It's looking very soft. So if you like the recipe, if you like my video, please subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching the video. Thank you so much friends.